A leader walks the talk for the people. Don't rent out any room in your mind to house others' negativity. A great leader will not waste time reacting to the filthy toolkit, but will devote that time to the growth of the entity. The only leader due to whom all different parties and opposition are united to defeat is Modi ji. Great mind, ecstatic yet calm. Not just being proud of cultural heritage, a leader carries it. A great leader will receive the lost spirit, ensuring people feel connected. The only leader who dares to speak in Hindi while addressing world forums or a wide diaspora of NRIs abroad is Modi ji. Win people, games come and go. Resurgence above all odds, being proud of it is a leadership symbol. Thanks to watch.